Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing the cute little hedgehugs. I'm sharing a Ghirardelli box. This will hold 3 of them in here. And I'm using crumb cake, and I decided to use some of our in colors that we have. And this one is Berry Burst, this one's Pink Pirouette, and then I'm going to do one that's a Tranquil Tide, this one right here. And so you can use any colors with this, but I thought they'd be super cute just as a thinking of you type of gift, or just for a friend. It's just really adorable. Look how cute the little hedgehugs are. So this is the stamp set that I'm using, is this hedgehugs right here. And it's got some really cute sentiments with it too. Even this little bird would be adorable to put on there, but I love this hedgehug. So I'm going to use him. And let's set these aside a minute and I'll tell you what you need for this. So you're going to need a piece of crumb cake. This is 5 by 8. And then you need a piece of Whisper White for the, I'm using the stitched ovals. And then I'm using the scalloped ovals and the layering ovals, and just a scrap piece of Tranquil Tide, sorry about that. And for the scalloped oval, or whatever color you desire. And I think that's it. You're going to need the ribbon that coordinates, and that is it. It really goes together really quickly. And we'll get scoring this. It's really quick and easy. So on this 8-inch side, I need to open this up. I always forget to do that. You are going to score it at 2, 3, 5, and 6. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 1 inch on this side, and then turn it all the way to the other side and score it again at 1 inch. Really quick and easy. That's it. Okay, so we're getting ready to cut it now, and we are going to cut. These sides are both the same, so it doesn't matter which side you work off of. I'm going to cut this rectangle off here. We're going to cut this one on this side as well. Then we're going to cut up each side here, and I'm going to take a little bit out of here and another out of here. Same with this side. And then on this side, the same. Now this is going to be my top, since I cut out those edges, right, these 2 rectangles here. So this will be my top now. And you're going to have to cut these a little bit shorter so they fold into the box really nicely. Okay, so that is it. So that's what it's going to look like. Let me grab my bone folder and sharpen all these score marks. And then we're ready to put it together. I am going to use my fast view since we still have it. It is retiring, but I'm going to use it while I can. And I do like to put a little adhesive on these little flaps here. And that is just to hold, not that way, this way, to hold these on there so they go on the back side. And then we're going to put adhesive here, because this is going to be the front, and I always like the front flaps going back. Can't get my fast fuse now to work. It may be empty. I've been using it. Let's see. No, there we go. And then we're going to fold these up, and look how quick and easy that is. I'm going to put, you can put either the Ghirardelli squares, and these also fit, these Ritter Sports. So I only had one more Ghirardelli, the other one has 3, but see how they fit in there just right? And then you're just going to fold this over just like that. And that's your box. Now I'm going to grab some Tranquil Tide. And I'm going to cut enough here to leave some, my ribbon scissors here. I think it's pouring outside right now. It's been threatening to rain all day, and they said it was going to rain, but I think it just started, of course, because I'm filming, and yes, it is. I can hear it. So if you get little kinks in your linen thread, that's what I'm using here, just run your bone folder over it and it helps it. So I'm going to tie a bow. And we're just going to tie a bow here. And I cut a lot, but sometimes I struggle with tying this around without having another hand to help me, or for doing it in my lap, so I wanted to make sure I had enough linen thread. So that's that. So let's set it aside and let's go ahead and stamp our image. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stamp our little hedgehog in the high there. This is crumb cake I'm using. I need to kind of put it in the center because I've got to make sure I'm doing this right side up. I have a tendency to do it backwards. There we go, I did it. And then I'm going to grab the big shot, so I'll need to move this out of the way. And we're going to run the hedgehog through, and we're going to run the scallop through at the same time. So the scallop that I'm using is about almost 3.5 inches. And then this one is it's 3 inches. So this one's the stitched circle, or the stitched oval. You know how I love these, and I haven't used it in a while. And then let's see, will this fit on here? Yeah, we're gonna just do that. Uh-oh, my little hedgehog got... We don't want to lose any of him. Okay. There we go. Boy, I'm having a time with this. Okay, so now we have our little scalloped, and I love the stitched oval. Alright, so we're going to put this together. We're just going to use some snail on the back. He's so cute. And then I'm going to just use some dimensionals. And I'm on the end of this one, so I'm just going to cut these end pieces off. I use every bit of these. No need to waste. And then we're going to put it on our box, and it'll be finished. I think I'm going to do one more, not in the video, but I think I'm going to do the other lemon lime twist. But look how cute. Are they not so cute? I love this little hedgehog. but it's really, really cute for a little gift for someone. So I hope you like it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog. It's stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. I forgot one little thing. I was going to use my Stampin' Right marker because I colored the flower in the coordinating color. So this one's Tranquil Tide. There we go. Now he's done. All right, everybody. I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.